Just a brief update video. This is the 2007 Honda CR-V. Still have the Boss unit in there after about 3 years since my first video. When you put the car in reverse, you'll notice there are 2 sets of guidelines here. And if you saw my other video on the 2014 CR-V Boss head unit, you'll know that if you clip one of the wires on the camera side in the trunk, then it will remove one of these extra sets of lines. Basically what's happening here is one set of lines is provided by the head unit itself here. The other set is provided by the camera. So we really only need one. In this case, I'm just going to disconnect the one at the back by the camera. So I'm back here under the tailgate now. I have the trim removed for the other video I'm doing on the rear wiper motor. But now that I have the trim out and I'm back here, this is the wiring for the rear view camera that I had installed. And you'll see here a white looped wire and a blue looped wire. On the white looped wire, if you clip this, that will remove the guidelines that are provided by the camera itself. So we're going to clip this wire now. I'm just going to come right in through there, take that right off like that. Just keep that separated. Okay, now back in the car, put it in reverse, and you'll see only one set of guidelines. So that is a choice for you if you want when you're putting in the radio. Sorry I didn't have that in the original video, but there you go. Thanks very much for watching.